Hello friends, myself Swapnil and welcome to my channel Zyka Street. Today I'll be showing you the recipe of idli batter. I'm sure if you'll follow the same measurement, your idlis will turn out super fluffy, super awesome. So without wasting further time, let's start with the recipe. So friends, here I have taken 1.5 bowl of rice. I have not taken any special rice, no idli rice, no dosa rice. This is just normal rice, whatever we use at home. So for 1.5 bowl of rice, I have taken half bowl of urad dal. So the correct measurement of rice and dal is 1:3. That is, if you are taking 3 cups of rice, you have to take 1 cup of urad dal. And here I have taken 1/4 bowl of sago. This is just a normal sago which we use for making khichdi's and all. And next is fenugreek seeds. This is 1/4 teaspoon. I'll add it in the urad dal. Now we'll wash everything at least 3 to 4 times. So let's meet after washing it. So friends, now I have washed everything. All these 3 things I have washed properly. Now we'll add water and soak it at least for 6 hours. Just add enough water. So friends, you can see that I have added enough water. Now let's meet after 6 hours. So friends, it's been 6 hours and you can see that all the ingredients have soaked well. Now we need to grind it. But before that, we need one more thing. And that is half bowl of flattened rice. This is just a normal flattened rice which we use for making poha and all. We need to wash it and we'll soak it for around 20 minutes. By the time we'll grind all this, it will be soaked well. So friends, now I have soaked the flattened rice. Now what we will do, we'll strain all the ingredients and then we'll start grinding it. So first I'll start with rice. So I have strained the rice. Now I'll add it in the mixer grinder. And without adding water, we need to grind it. See friends, now I have grinded it without adding any water. And you can see it's little grainy. Now we'll add water and grind it once more. Add around 2-3 tablespoons of water. Friends, you can see I have grinded it well and you can see the texture. Now same way we'll grind other things also. So friends, now I have grinded urad dal and sago also. Now we need to grind flattened rice. Now I have grinded everything well and you can see this is urad dal and this is sago. Just mix it well. Now I have mixed everything. Now we'll grind it once more. Friends, in South they use wet grinder, but we don't have wet grinder at home. That is why we'll grind it twice. Now I have grinded it twice. I'll show you the texture. You see the difference between both. This blue one is little coarse. This I have grinded only once. And this yellow one I have grinded it twice. Friends, I'll zoom it and I'll show you. I hope you can see the difference clearly. Now I have transferred the batter in a big vessel. Now we'll just mix it once. Just see the consistency of my batter. It's just a pouring consistency. Neither it is very thick nor it is thin. See, it is so smooth. Now we'll cover it and keep it for fermentation for around 12 hours. During summers it can ferment in 6 to 8 hours, but during winters it takes around 12 to 13 hours. So let's meet after 12 to 13 hours. Friends, it's been 12 hours and you can see that our batter has fermented well. Now it is ready for making idlis, dosas, uttapam. Friends, using this batter I have made stuffed idli and that recipe is really delectable. So if you want to try it out, I am giving the link in the description box. Please go and check it there. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your family and friends and don't forget to subscribe. We'll meet soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye bye.